Good morning to you. Hope everybody's good. Beautiful day in Agawam, Mass today. This is Hubby with Just About Anything Garage, and I'm going to give you a quick short on a repair that I'm doing here. If you're watching my C30 series, you know that we're working on getting the bed set up so that we can do a rollback on it. And as part of that, I was pulling off the old bed, which is right here. We use Big Bertha over here, my F600 car carrier rollback, to do that. To yank it off, and the intent was to get it up onto that, and I was more interested in doing filming than I was thinking, so I didn't tilt the bed and I couldn't quite get it up, so we just pulled it off. But we'll back it up, we'll tilt the bed, and then we'll pull it up onto the bed that way. But during the process we sprung a fuel leak. It looks like we might have sprung a fuel leak early though, because I'm noticing, I don't know if you can see it on camera, it's a little spotty trail from where it's parked all the way up, and then a puddle under. You should be able to see it under there, I'm thinking. Let's turn on the light and maybe we'll get some vision on that. There's spotty trail. That's all the fuel leak. And then I went out front, I saw it dripping. And let me crawl up underneath it for you, and we'll show you just exactly where that fuel leak is coming from and what we're going to do about it. Sorry about blasting with the sun. Oops, and then hitting you. Can't see anything here. Okay, so here we are. It's got the fuel pump, and on the bottom of the fuel pump, it's obviously got a filter there. But if you'll notice on the rubber line that's coming over, it's wet at the junction of where that line comes in. So I think there's something wrong with that hose right there, and or the fitting. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull that line off, and that fitting, I got my grippy on here to see if I can't get that off. We're going to get that off and clean the filter as well too, and see if we can't take that. So it's pretty hard to film and work at the same time. So what I'll do is I will go step by step for you, go ahead and do the work, and then come in here and show you what the results are, and we'll see if we can't get this to stop leak gas, because it was leaking pretty egregiously. So A, fire, and B, emptying your tank out into the ground. So I will go ahead and we'll do some maneuvering here and show you the results of that. So hang tight, we'll be right back. All right, we're back under it. As you can see up there, it has a fitting that goes to the input for the rubber line that comes over from the thing. So we pulled that out, we cleaned it, and we put some Teflon tape on it. Now I know you're going to get on me in the comments, you can't use Teflon tape for gas. Well, yes you can. The problem with the regular plumber's Teflon tape is it's thin and it breaks down quickly. This is a pink, which is a heavier duty one, which should be just fine with it. They make a rated one it's yellow in color. It's yellow Teflon. It's rated for gas, is what should be used there, but this will hold up just fine. So what we're going to do now is we're going to replace that hose. The reason I haven't done it yet is because I'm pretty sure when I pull it I'm going to get gas leaking down here. Excuse me. And I don't want to be underneath it. So the other thing we did is we pulled out the, as I sit up here, the filter. Let me go grab that, we'll show you. We cleaned that up, greased its seal, got it ready to go. The filter inside is a metal canister type filter, so it's not too bad. Where the heck did I put that thing? It's sitting around here it's probably over there. Probably just walked away from it. Let's go find it. You guys as unorganized as I am sometimes, I know I am. You could go on with 3 things at once, and next thing you know, and I don't see it. So I guess I'll show you that on the net. Oh, here it is right here. I put it in a very safe place. So safe I couldn't find it. But regular metal, but it's got the metal canister in it, filter with the rubber seal. We cleaned it all out. There wasn't a lot of gunk there. It's in pretty decent shape. Got a little grease on it because I greased the seal and I just dumped it out. But there it goes. It's ready to go back in. We'll do that once we get the hose on it, so it makes it a little bit easier to do. And we'll come back when we got everything wrapped up for you and show you how we got and see if we solved the problem. All right, we'll be back. Okay, let's see. Aha! There we go. Let's see if we got a leak. Nope, everything looks good. I'm not seeing anything dripping where it was before. Did pull the air cleaner off to climb it with a little gas, which is what I fired right up for. No leaks up here. Alright, we got it good. Now, just skipping a little. I can hear it. So I think what we'll do is we're going to close this little short out here. We got that fixed. If you're watching the C30, you're going to see this thing end up on the back of that thing. So that'll be coming up. But in terms of Big Bertha over here, the F600, we'll plan to do another video on a tune-up and an oil change because she certainly deserves it. So we'll catch you guys later. You guys have a great time and see you soon.